Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Wise County in north-central Texas, western Denton County in north-central Texas, until 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:31 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Aurora, 47 miles northeast of Briar, moving north at 75 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sanger, Briar, Pecan Acres, Crum, New Fairview, Aurora, Boyd, Rome, Ponder, and Newark. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 480 and 481. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth. Numbers on Wall Street to dial up 1,000. The voice of the National Weather Service, station WXK. Was issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Wise County in north-central Texas, western Denton County in north-central Texas, until 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:31 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Aurora, 47 miles northeast of Briar, moving north at 75 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sanger, Briar, Pecan Acres, Crum, New Fairview, Aurora, Boyd, Rome, Ponder, and Newark. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 480 and 481. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.